Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Clear Word Definition. Today's word is dilemma. A dilemma means being in a situation where you must choose between two options that are both difficult. Imagine you get a great job offer in another city. If you go, you'll earn more money. But if you stay, you'll be close to your family. Now, both choices are tough. That's a dilemma. Here's how you can use dilemma in sentences. I'm in a dilemma about whether to go to the party or stay home and study. It's a real dilemma. I don't know which job to take. I was in a dilemma about what to eat, pizza or noodles. So remember, whenever you feel stuck between two tough decisions, you're in a dilemma. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Clear Word Definition for more simple English explanations.